No.
I think we're going to do
yes. Okay. I think this is the first Nigerian, Franco-Nigerian company listed on any exchange in Europe. And so now Bryant will make a presentation. Bryant is the chairman of CEPLAT, our partner in Nigeria, and also a board member of Maurel Prom Nigeria. So please, if you wish to make a short presentation about the joint venture and
Thank you very much, Monsieur Jean-Francois Aina. First, I would like to thank the leadership and members of the NYSE Euronext for this very special occasion. I think it is a very, very significant day in the relationship, not just between Maurel and Prom and Nigeria and CEPLAT, but indeed between Nigeria and France. I think it's the very, very first time we're seeing a Nigerian company being listed in the European Stock Exchange, most significantly an oil and gas company. I think it goes a long way to explain the fact that the wisdom, the transparency, the hard work of all the people in Maurel and Prom, led by the chairman, the very able Monsieur Jean-Francois Aina, and his team, has yielded this very significant fruit. I think that today represents very many things of significance and importance, not just to the shareholders, but indeed all stakeholders. Maurel and Prom is reputed to be the very first company, international company, that saw the opportunities in Nigeria and therefore was very wise in taking a 45% stake in CEPLAT. CEPLAT being the very first indigenous Nigerian company to take the opportunity and advantage of divestment by the international oil companies, such that we acquired the very first 3 OMLs from Shell and its partners. I think this is very, very remarkable, and it has actually changed the landscape of Nigerian oil and gas. And what we'll be seeing in the coming months, the coming years, is the fact that that singular transaction will transform the entire landscape, particularly for the indigenous companies. Therefore, I congratulate all the people in Maurel and Prom Nigeria, which I'm a very proud board member, that this is going to be the beginning of very, very many successes. For the company, we're going to be seeing very excellent value creation for the shareholders. And for Euronext, you will be also beating your chest to welcome a very well-positioned company in your midst. For Nigeria, we are going to be very happy to see an investment confidence in that country. I would like to say very boldly, without any fear of contradiction, that Nigeria, particularly in the oil and gas, is the preferred destination for very credible investment in the oil and gas industry. So I congratulate Maurel and Prom for this. As far as we are concerned, this is one step of very many we'll be taking in our growth objectives. And there is no doubt that this trading of stock will continue to see many, many improvements, especially because of what we have positioned in CEPLAT. We're going to be seeing very imminently a major change in the Nigerian oil and gas laws. The petroleum industry bill, which is very significant, will definitely be bringing in quite a lot of advantages for indigenous companies, for which Maurel and Prom will obviously benefit. From a company standpoint, we are very proud and we beat our chests that we have a very, very excellent and very professional top management and staff who are very well grounded in oil and gas with a lot of experience in the Niger Delta. Therefore, we have seen within 1 year a doubling of our production. Not only are we increasing production, we're working very hard with very excellent work program that will be seeing increased 2P value, seeing proper tapping of all the upside potentials as well as exploration potentials. And we'll be seeing in the coming years this will continue to add value. And every investor, every shareholder will be very happy and have very good reasons to smile. I believe that this will be encouraging very many other companies, very many other countries to have more confidence and invest in Nigeria. I thank you all for listening, and I think that this is the beginning of very many, many, many good things. Thank you very much.
Many thanks again. Mr. Ena, do you want to say a few words?
Well, I think this is a good introduction for Maurel from Nigeria. It was a challenge for us to make the bet to invest in Nigeria, but we have the chance to meet with two good partners, Platform and Shiba, who are our partners in Nigeria, who brings both the expertise and the respectability in the market. We are very proud of the performance until now, and we are looking forward for a bright future. Thank you for Euronext to welcome us today, and we wish you all the best for our shareholders.